Hello and welcome back. Please try to completely relax. Do not try to memorize anything. Just absorb the English words slowly and calmly. You are doing really well. Let us begin lesson 16. Here are the 12 English words for today. Please listen only. Do not repeat yet. Can, could, will, would, should, must, may, might, able, possible, ready, they. Good. Now we will say the same words together. Please listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Can, could, will, would, should, must, may, might, able, possible, ready, they. Very good, nice and slow. Now, let us listen to some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. He can, she can, I could come, you will listen, would like, would help, should tell, should remember, must stop, must work, may come, may go, might want, might need, be able to go, possible now, is possible, almost ready, feel ready, they could, they should. Nice. Let us continue. Now, listen to a simple, easy story using all of the 12 words. I can go home now. You could come here with me. Is it possible today? Only if you can stay. Will you be able to walk? Would you be hungry or thirsty? I should give you my coat. You must be cold. You may understand me now. I might still go to work later. I am ready to listen. If you are sure. They might come with you. Excellent. Finally, let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Can, could, will, would, should, must, may, might, able, possible, ready, they. Very good. Okay, you have reached the end of lesson 16. You did very well today. You can now relax, and I will see you for lesson 17. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.